Have you ever lost a bet that changed your life?
Hey man, bet you can't drink this.
Bet you I can.
Notch.
Skullet.
Oh. Well, I have. Boom! Sing! That's sexy.
Not nice. I'm keeping it away from me. I got a straight razor.
It's good enough for now.
My friend who used to.
Okay, let's go. Big reveal, boy. Let's go. You're on, bud. Show's on.
It's.
That's how I was like, that guy's going to do it.
Why?
God.
Why? Why?
Please, I can't.
Please don't tell me. No, 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 no. I hate it. I like it. It's like you're growing something. Like it's about to pop out.
Everyone loved the Skullet, so I brought it to the gym to give it the good old performance test. The breeze was killer. Then I took it to Dirty Bingo.
Oh my god.
Skullet Day 1 seems like a smashing success, but something didn't feel right. Maybe it was the kids pointing and laughing, or something else. Either way, I couldn't help but wonder, what if people didn't like the do?
No, everyone loved it.
Please don't tell me. No, 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 no.
I made me a Tinder account, okay? I knew that males love the Skullet, but I didn't know if females love the Skullet. So in an effort to look into the female psyche, I created a Tinder account, and I liked every photo until there weren't any left. Now we wait, and it'll happen. The results
man.
weren't good.
It's been half an hour. How's Tinder coming?
I don't want to do this documentary anymore. Get this camera. Stop. End it. End it. Yo, man.
Yeah.
You hit me up with a towel?
Nah, man, I'm in the middle of a reading. Just get it yourself.
Dude, I'm like naked.
I don't care. Just get it.
Man, are you freaking kidding me, bro? Like, honestly, you can't just get. Yo!
Oh, still
Yo,
rocking that hair?
Dude! No cameras right now! Dude, the dark is off! The dark is off! Stop filming my freaking head, man! Stop filming my head! Bro! My self-confidence was at an all-time low. I was afraid. And I was off my game.
Relationships between different actors, different institutions. We looked at some political and economic pieces related to cancer. We talked about some of the
Hey, buddy. What you doing?
Don't worry about it.
What's that?
Nothing?
Is that your hair?
I was beginning to think that the Skullet would beat me. Then, a stroke of magic happened. I got a notification on my phone.
Dude, I think I just got a...
Now I know what you're thinking. A notification on your phone?
No.
You must be popular.
Dude.
And you're right. I am.
No way.
But this notification wasn't from any other social media platform that I use, like Grindr, Bumble, or JDate. No. This notification was from Tinder. I got a match. She was attractive. She was close. She was sending dirty messages. It seemed too good to be true, but I kept my hopes up.
Intimate in bed. I'm getting laid.
Following. Hey, guy. What are we in here for?
I'm gonna get some domers. I feel like I'm gonna be eating a lot of those.
Alright, alright.